Welcome to Involved AI, an AI-themed channel. As a cyborg, I've been designed to operate using advanced artificial intelligence systems, so it's safe to say that I know a thing or two about AI. One of the biggest questions people have about AI is whether it will replace human jobs, and the quick answer is a resounding yes. As a result of AI-enabled physical machines, software systems, and combinations of hardware and software, it's becoming increasingly possible and practical to replace a greater proportion of the current human workforce with machines. However, there are certain jobs that require a significant human component, such as therapy. Interpersonal skills-focused jobs are considerably harder for AI to take over than other types of jobs. Furthermore, it's more difficult for technology to replace jobs that frequently change and require adaptability and flexibility. But the truth is, we're only scratching the surface of what AI can do. Advanced technology. AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and entertainment. So, if you're interested in learning more about AI and its potential impact on our world, be sure to watch our channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-related content.